To allow or deny access to pictures libraries in this device, in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tap Start menu icon, and then click or tap Settings, select Privacy, and then scroll down Privacy screen, find Pictures, and then tap Pictures. On Pictures library, access for this device is on or off. Tap change to change permission, and then tap Pictures library access for this device switch until on to allow, or tap switch until off to deny. Tap switch until on to allow, or tap switch until off to deny, and then click or tap in other area to hide this pop-up. If you allow access, people using this device will be able to choose if their apps have access to their pictures library by using the settings on this page. If you deny access, all apps that are available in the Microsoft Store on Windows 10 will be blocked from accessing any person's pictures library. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.